Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about triangle and its part. This is a closed shape. It has three sides, 1, 2 and 3. It has three vertices, 1, 2 and 3. It has three angles, 1, 2 and 3. So triangle has three sides, three vertices and three angles. Triangle is closed shape. We name triangle by assigning an uppercase letter of the alphabet to each of three vertices like A, B and C and read them together in cyclic manner. Triangle, this is the symbol of triangle and we read it as triangle A, B, C. In this triangle ABC, it has three sides. So we write its sides AB, BC, AC or CA. So we write them AB, BC, CA or AC. It has three vertices. So we write the name of vertices as vertices A, B and C. Vertices A, B and C. And triangle has three angles. In this triangle has three angle, name is angle A, angle B, angle C. We also write angle A as angle BAC or angle CAB. When we write angle A, we put the angle A in the center. Angle BAC, CAB. Same way, we write angle B as angle CBA. Angle CBA or angle ABC. Angle C we write as BCA, angle BCA or angle ACB. We write it as angle ACB. So all triangles are same and have same part, three sides, three vertices and three angles. But they don't have same length of sides or the same measure of angles. In this triangle ABC, the angle lie inside in this triangle that are known as interior angle. Angle ABC are interior angle, but angle ACD, it is outside the triangle and that angle is known as exterior angle. So the angle that lies outside the triangle, that angle is known as exterior angle. So angle ACD is a exterior angle. In triangle ABC, we draw perpendicular AE on line BC. AE is perpendicular to line BC. So AE is known as altitude. From vertex B, we also draw a perpendicular on line AC. That point is F. So BF is perpendicular to AC. So BF is altitude. From vertex C, we also draw perpendicular to line AB. CD perpendicular to line AB. So CD is altitude. So a triangle has 3 altitude. The altitude of a triangle is a straight line through a vertex and is perpendicular to the base. A triangle has 3 altitude. In this triangle A, B and C, from its vertex A, we draw line AD on BC that divide this line BC in 2 equal halves. So from vertex B, we draw line on AC that divide the line AC in 2 equal halves. So BE is known as median. From vertex C, we draw line on AB that divide the line in 2 equal halves. So CF is a median. In triangle ABC, AD is median that bisect the line BC in 2 equal halves. AE is perpendicular to line BC. A is altitude. So always remember both median and altitude start from the vertex. Median divide the line in 2 equal halves and altitude make an angle 90 degree on the base. And triangle has 3 median and 3 altitude. So thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. If you have any query, then do comment on this video. Thank you.